Did you know there are some wild myths about AI that are still being believed today? From AI taking over your job to it having emotions like humans. It seems like some ideas just won't go away. But are these myths holding us back from understanding AI's true potential? In today's video, we'll break down the top 8 AI myths people still believe and set the record straight. Stay tuned to find out what AI can really do and how it's changing the world right now. Let's get started. 1. Myth: AI will replace all human jobs. One of the most persistent myths about AI is that it will replace all human jobs. This myth creates fear, but the reality is quite different. While AI does automate routine and repetitive tasks, it doesn't replace the need for human creativity, judgment, or decision-making. Instead of taking over, AI is more likely to augment human capabilities. AI is a powerful tool for enhancing productivity and efficiency, but it cannot replicate human intuition or empathy. Jobs that require emotional intelligence, creativity, and critical thinking are still very much in demand. In fact, AI is creating new roles, like AI trainers, supervisors, and specialists that require human expertise. As AI continues to improve, we will see a shift towards more high-level jobs that require a combination of technical skills and creative problem-solving. Rather than replacing humans, AI will be an assistant that frees up time for more important tasks. In the future, humans and AI will work together to handle tasks that neither can do alone, offering synergy that accelerates growth and innovation. 2. Myth: AI can think and feel like a human. Another myth we need to address is that AI can think and feel just like a human. Many people imagine AI systems as having emotions and consciousness, but that's not the case at all. In reality, AI doesn't have emotions, desires, or any form of self-awareness. AI, including large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT, functions as a highly advanced pattern recognition tool. It processes data to produce responses based on probability, not conscious thought. When AI seems empathetic or understanding, it's merely mimicking human-like behavior based on patterns in the data it's been trained on. AI's abilities may seem like they're human-like, but it's important to remember that AI is just a statistical engine designed to predict the most likely response based on input. No matter how sophisticated AI gets, it's not sentient and won't feel or have any form of intent. In fact, the emotions you see in AI responses are simply algorithms trying to make conversations feel more natural to users, creating a sense of familiarity, not true emotion. 3. Myth: AI is always objective and unbiased. Many people believe that AI is always objective and unbiased, but this myth could not be further from the truth. AI systems are trained on data generated by humans, and as a result, they can inherit and even amplify the biases present in that data. AI doesn't have an inherent moral compass. It simply reflects the data it's trained on. For example, AI systems have been known to reinforce biases in hiring practices, criminal justice systems, and loan approvals, as they often mirror the historical prejudices found in past data. This means that without careful monitoring and correction, AI can perpetuate inequalities in society. While AI holds incredible potential for fair decision-making, it's crucial that we implement proper oversight to ensure AI systems remain fair and unbiased. We must continuously train and test AI systems to identify biases and correct them before they have a negative impact. Bias detection tools are becoming an important aspect of AI ethics, and researchers are working on improving the transparency of AI decision-making processes. 4. Myth: AI learns and evolves on its own. A common misconception is that AI learns and evolves on its own. Some believe that AI can autonomously improve without human input, but in reality, AI systems require constant human supervision and training to grow. AI doesn't wake up and learn like humans do. Instead, it relies on data and specific algorithms designed by engineers and data scientists. Continuous training is needed to improve AI systems, and new versions are developed through explicit human efforts. While AI can automate processes and improve decision-making based on patterns, it still depends on humans for input, maintenance, and fine-tuning. AI doesn't have the ability to develop its own understanding or make decisions outside the parameters set by its creators. Even the most advanced deep learning algorithms require human intervention to ensure they remain accurate and effective over time. Without human guidance, AI would lack the context and purpose required to operate efficiently, often failing to adapt to changing circumstances or evolving needs. 5. Myth: AI is too complicated for non-technical people. Another myth is that AI is too complicated for non-technical people to use, but this is quickly changing. Today, AI-powered tools are becoming more accessible than ever before. Tools like ChatGPT and HubSpot require no coding knowledge, allowing anyone to interact with them using natural language. AI is no longer just for engineers or data scientists. With the rise of generative AI, anyone with an internet connection can start using AI-powered platforms to optimize workflows, personalize marketing, and automate tasks. Even small businesses and startups can harness AI to compete with big players in the market. As AI becomes more user-friendly, non-technical users will be able to take full advantage of these technologies to improve their work, make better decisions, and stay competitive in a fast-moving digital world. The future of AI is inclusive, and the tools being created are designed with ease of use in mind, meaning that anyone can harness AI to optimize their business or personal projects. 6. Myth: AI always produces accurate information. A big myth is that AI always produces accurate information, but that's simply not true. AI models, especially generative AI, are known to produce what are called hallucinations, confidently creating false or nonsensical information. Unlike search engines, which pull from trusted sources, generative AI systems are designed to produce plausible-sounding text based on patterns in the data. Sometimes this leads to mistakes, inaccuracies, or even fabricated answers that seem real but are completely wrong. It's important to treat AI-generated content with a critical eye and verify information from trusted sources before taking it at face value. As AI evolves, we'll need better mechanisms for ensuring accuracy in AI-generated responses. Human oversight will always be necessary when working with AI, particularly in fields that demand high accuracy, like medicine, finance, and law. 7. Myth: AI is only for big tech companies. Many people think that AI is only available to big tech companies with large budgets, but that's far from the truth. Today, AI is accessible to small businesses, freelancers, and students. Open source models and affordable APIs are enabling anyone to use AI for tasks like content creation, customer service, and data analysis. Small businesses can now harness the power of AI without needing to invest millions in tech infrastructure. With tools like Zapier and ChatGPT, anyone can start automating processes, improving customer engagement, and increasing efficiency without the need for a huge team of developers. As the cost of AI tools continues to drop, more and more businesses and individuals will be able to leverage AI to solve problems and increase productivity, no matter their size or budget. AI is democratizing innovation, enabling individuals and small businesses to create and compete on a level playing field with the largest companies in the world. 8. Myth: adding AI guarantees higher productivity. A common belief is that simply adding AI to your business will instantly boost productivity. While AI can automate many tasks, it doesn't always result in immediate improvements. In fact, this is sometimes referred to as the productivity paradox, the idea that adopting AI can increase complexity and disrupt workflows if not properly implemented. AI needs to be strategically integrated into business processes. Without the right training, systems, and infrastructure, AI can add more layers to an already complicated workflow, making things more difficult instead of easier. For AI to truly enhance productivity, businesses need to adopt a holistic approach, involving employee training, proper integration, and ongoing optimization. Only then will AI start delivering real value and helping businesses achieve higher efficiency. Proper strategy and planning will ensure that AI tools become assets, not burdens, to the business. There you have it. The top 8 AI myths that are still holding back our understanding of this amazing technology. From job replacement fears to misconceptions about AI's intelligence, it's clear that there's still a lot to learn about how AI really works and what it can do. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into AI technologies and their real-world applications. Let me know in the comments which AI myths surprise you the most. I'll see you in the next video.